What's up everyone, Bit Me Some back with another Hbar video. So currently right now I'm on the Hbar 4-hour time frame. In today's video we're just going to go over a few different prices, find a few different targets, and see where we could be heading. Right now as I was refreshing these pages, we're getting this green candle that started to move upwards, and we started breaking targets and things like that. So we're going to look into that. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button also, and make sure you leave a comment also. I'm getting like 100 views on the videos but only 6 likes, maybe 1 or 2 comments. So make sure you're hitting a comment, make sure you're hitting the like, make sure you're hitting the subscribe. I appreciate you guys for doing that. I like responding to your guys' comments and things like that, so thanks for doing that. If you guys wouldn't mind, appreciate it. And let's just jump right into it. So right now this is the 4-hour time frame. I kind of created this, like, it looks like almost like a, how would I say it, like a windmill or something, fan or something like that. But what I mean is, let me see that. It's like when I put all of these lines at this area, it kind of created this like flag type of thing. Like, I just did it myself. So I put the line from this bottom target, or that bottom line, and just went up on different trends, and this is what I kind of came up with. If you notice, we're getting support, resistance, support, resistance at that point, came down, resistance, support, broke it, resistance, resistance, and we broke it again now. So this actually is a pretty good indicator for now. It's letting us know what's happening. So if we come up, my next guess would be at least up to this area where this top was at. I think this is where we could be heading if, you know, this closes above that. So we'll look into that. Current price is 10.45. The low was just recently of 0.999, so pretty much right at 10. So we definitely have gotten a good move up since then. So our next target will be 10.73. If we could break 10.73, then we're gonna have some higher pricing. But then we also need to break 10.49. So currently 10.45, we need to break this 10.49. That's our next little area. All right, so this is on a 15-minute time frame. Kind of, if you notice, we were creating this flag over here. This is a 15-minute time frame also. Creating that flag, broke down, came all the way back up into it. Now I created that kind of flag, and we broke down, came up, broke down, came up. So now we're coming back up again. So I think this next target, or where we do need a break on this, will be this area right here, 10.47. That's exactly where we're gonna need to be. So we're 10.45 now. So if we could break 10.47, then we're gonna start seeing higher pricing for sure. But we need to start closing up there also. If you guys notice, I kind of have this line there. That's where that bottom is at, and then this is probably gonna be the top. So if anything, if we hit that top and get rejected, we're gonna come down back to this. That might be a good short area. 10.47 might be a short. It just depends on if we cross. But okay, so I just want to show you this quick Bitcoin chart. Yesterday I had somebody comment. I appreciate the comment, by the way. They just comment. Let me look into it. Let me find exactly what they said. They said, oh, shout out the new subscriber, BNR Studios, new subscriber. Yo, I said all that. Okay. I had a comment on one of these posts. Okay, yeah, this was it. So what is the difference between this chart and Bitcoin's chart? They are basically identical. Why not just focus on Bitcoin chart? That's a good question. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you for asking that question. The reason I would assume, I mean, I did notice that, because like I said, a lot of the charts are pretty much almost identical. Like, it's, you know, if they're creating a triangle, the other Hbar is creating a triangle. You know, it all kind of correlates together and stuff. So my idea is, the only thing I could really think of is mainly the price. because obviously if I'm checking a price on this Bitcoin, it's 29,000, and if I'm checking a price on the other one, it's only 10 cents, you know. So it's mainly just a price, and also it's because a lot of people watch. If you notice, a lot of people watch. Look at this, Hbar has 76 views, and then this Bitcoin only has 15 views. So I really make, because like I said, people who watch this Hbar video only watch Hbar. They don't really watch the Bitcoin, and the few people that watch the Bitcoin aren't really looking into Hbar. So it's like I really make the two videos pretty much for the communities themselves, for the Bitcoin community, and then I give a video for the Hbar community. So that's kind of my idea of what it is, but I do understand what you're saying, because they are really, really close together right now. But I appreciate you commenting that. So yeah, let's just jump right back into it. This right now is on a 4-hour time frame. If you guys can notice, we had this line coming up, we broke underneath it, came up, got a rejection again, came down, came up like a fake out, came down, and now we're pushing back up again. So like I said, we're getting, look at this, all these right here, it's a triple bottom, what that kind of created. And a triple bottom, let's see if you notice at the right, bottom right, triple bottom, reversal bullish only. It comes down, boom, 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 boom. It makes, so boom, boom. You know what is kind of weird is that this one came halfways, this one comes all the way down, this one comes all the way down. So it's pretty much the same thing on that other chart, but if you notice, it's on the chart, it's reversed. Oh, I can't flip it. Well, anyways, okay, look, this one comes down halfways. Let me remove this. Okay, look at this one comes down halfways a little bit, and then these two come down a lot. So what that, like I said, look at this on this chart. It's where this left triangle comes down, it comes up, left triangle comes all the way back down, and then we come halfways up, then we break it. So it's kind of forming that, but it's like this little small one is on the left side instead of the right side. So I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. It doesn't really change the difference. But yeah, that's looking like a possible triple bottom. And if that's the case, then if we start closing, I believe inside of this, let me see, I have a 15-minute chart. Okay, this is the one. Oh man. All right, let me try to change this to 15. Let me see what happens. Because this, if I change this to 15, I have the targets and things like that. So look at, we are closing above this line. So my next guess, and this is on the 15. So what this is kind of, I would probably, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. This is gonna be for later, so I could come back and I could see. I'm not gonna put no real money because I'm kind of in a rush. I don't want to do something in a rush. But look, I'm gonna put a long position from that, and we'll put the stop at this point right here, and then this will come up to there, and then this will break. I guess we could go like that. I mean, I guess I should have got in a little bit earlier. So that's what this is gonna be right here. So if what this is doing, if you guys notice, there's a line right here, which is gonna be my entry point, and then I have a line right here, which is gonna be my exit point if the price goes lower. So that way I don't lose 100% of my money. It would only be a percentage of it, because like I said, I'm willing to lose this much right here in order to win this much, which is all the way up here. So it's like a risk, but like I said, this is why it's important for when you start having candles close and open. Look at this candle broke this key point right here. This is the point I was waiting for to get broken. and the fact that it broke and then the next candle opened up above it, that let me know now we're swimming in these waters. So these waters up here are where the money's at. If you notice, it's green, so this is where the money's at. So if we keep coming up and we hit this area, it closes my trade in profit, and then whatever it does after that, it's a wrap. It doesn't matter. But if we come underneath this line right here, which is this line at the 1025, if we come down to this line, then I'm out of my trade and I lose, but I only lose let's see, it says right here what I would lose. I would lose 1.3% to gain 3%. So I mean, it's like a 1 to 3 type of trade. You know, you and look at it's going up perfectly, still going up. So this was a awesome live trade as we spoke while we're talking. So like I'm saying, this is why it's important to know your levels. If you could break that level, so later on today when I make another video updating this live chart trade, if we hit this line up here, we're out of the trade in a W. Let me put it in a W. All right, if we hit right here, then we're in the trade as a loss. L for loss, W for win. All right, so we're gonna see what happens with that, and let's get back into this chart right here. If you guys notice, we are breaking down at this bottom and we're coming up. So once we break this line right here, we're gonna break that, retest that, and then we're gonna come up to this point. This is awesome. I think we're in rhythm right now. We're finally back in rhythm, because I'm able to notice when things are happening and when things are not happening. If you guys want to check this, this is a Bitcoin chart. This is what I was figuring out before. So okay, if you guys remember, I always do a 50 line on my RSI, right? Let me just show you guys what's happening with this 50 line. If you guys notice, we're breaking above the 50 line, which is confirming a uptrend. Above the 50 line, uptrend. Below the 50 line, downtrend. If you notice, we're breaking it, so that's confirming the move up. That's is why I already kind of knew what's going to be happening, because I checked into this Bitcoin and it's also telling me this. Look at this move right here. It's going to be a perfect cross that we're crossing. So if this MACD crosses, the RSI is above the 50 on an uptrend. Those are two solid indicators of what's letting me know what could be going on. And the fact we're breaking these targets, look at, we're breaking it again on this. If you guys watch my Bitcoin, you guys will understand this yellow triangle was, I was saying, the next decision area. So this is why it's important. This is awesome. I'm so glad I was able to put in this trade to show you guys. This is what I'm working on. Long and short trades, you know. So we're gonna see. Since this is a risk-free trade technically, because I'm not putting my real money. This is just, I'm working on it. For me to be able to point out, hey, this is where it needs to go. This is what we want. This I've only been making this video for 20 minutes, and if we were able to find a solid move, literally when I got to this chart, I've only been on this chart for 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. That's where, like I said, it won't take us all day to make what we make all day. You guys understand? Because look, when I get paid, I have to work 8 hours to make a sum amount. I don't know what, and everybody gets paid differently, but let's just say for one day, for working 8 hard hours, you only get paid $100 for one day. Because at the end of your check, after taxes and everything, you know, let's just say you make $100. Just make it easy. So that means for this, for me to make enough money to replace my normal job, I means I only have to make $100 on a few trades or whatever throughout the day. If it takes me 5 minutes to make $100, then I'm done for the day after 5 minutes. If it takes me 4 hours, I'm done after 4 hours. But the big difference also is I'm working on my own time, and I'm not busting my back you know, breaking my back for somebody else to make a bunch of money when I should be making it myself, you know. So that's why I say this is so important that we work on these charts every single day. We don't give up. keep going. If you guys were following me, I'm trying my best to help you guys out the same way I'm trying to help myself out, you know. So like I said, I believe in myself. Nobody could tell me I can't do it, because I will do it. I'm confident in myself. We're gonna do it together. We're all gonna be in this, and we're all gonna win together. This is what's important. We're not gonna stop. You know, we're gonna be great. You guys are all gonna be great with me. Just don't give up. That's the problem. The big difference between me and most people is the fact I haven't given up. I don't care how bad the market gets. I still haven't given up. That's what's important. The consistency. The ones who gave up, oh, I don't want to trade them, I'm just going to go back to work. You know, they didn't give themselves another option. I'm trying my best to learn these trades and charts to give myself another option to work better, harder. Don't work harder, work smarter. Like I said, the same way how I like to say it, when you first got the job that you're at right now, you probably didn't know anything. But after 6 months of working that job, I'm sure you became a great worker. You knew everything, the ins and outs, what to do, what not to do. But that was after 6 months. That wasn't after your first day. So this is why I say it's not going to happen overnight. But you put in 6 months of your dedication, guarantee you're going to love the outcome. Don't give up on yourself. Everybody can do it. We all can do it. I appreciate you guys for watching and listening every single day. I'm here to help you guys, and I'm trying my best to help everybody. So like I said, I'm helping myself, and by me helping myself, that's what you guys need to realize. You guys have to be able to help yourself before you can help others. So before I can help you guys, I have to be able to help myself. So by me learning these charts and putting in the hard work, that's helping myself. And by me doing those long hours into these charts is what's going to help me help you guys. So like I said, I'm doing this for us. Don't think I forgot about you guys. The Bit Crew is awesome. I appreciate you guys for joining the Bit Crew every single day. Don't ever switch up on me. We're going to take it to the top. So I appreciate that. So yeah, so like let me get right back to this chart. So if we could break above this line right here, I think we could be seeing this next top line up here. So that's pretty much the next idea that I got for that. And we're kind of in this bull flag. Oops, sorry. We're kind of in this bull flag. So this is on the 15-minute time frame. So if we could keep pushing up, then you know we could possibly come here to get a bounce. But if we break this line, then I think we could possibly be coming down lower. So it's important to stay above those targets. All right. So, but yeah, that's kind of what I got so far for Hbar. Like I said, this next area is definitely going to be important. Let me see. I have that chart. Okay, so I think this is the one I need it to be on 4 hour. Alright, but yeah, that's what I got so far. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind, and look, we just got another pump up again. Did it go up? 1052. Alright, yeah. But yeah, that's kind of what I got for Hbar. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. No fucking way. No fucking way. Oh, you fucking A. Fuck. And see where we could be heading right now. As I was refreshing these pages, we're getting this green candle that started to move upward. and we started breaking targets and things like that. So